Hey, I'm Heather.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're off North Lagoon. This is such a great area, right smack on the east end. Just shoot right down to Publix. You can go to Christo's or Captain Anderson's or Grand Marlin. It's all right here, right?
Yes.
Sheldon, tell us a little bit more about this one.
Well, we have a 2-2 here, just under 1,000 square feet. It's great location because it's next to all the fishing charters, and there's some really good history over here on this side of Thomas Drive.
Absolutely, and you've got the amenities, nice pool in this area,
Yep,
right?
as you can see.
Absolutely. So in this one, we've got 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms at a cozy just about 1,000 square feet. And you're right off North Lagoon for less than $200,000. If you would like more information, check out the description below for the actual MLS listing, and you can find out more details and pictures. And don't forget, ring the bell, subscribe to thebeachshow.com for our next property.